Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. So,
Good
how was your
afternoon,
weekend?
sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
It was great, sir.
It was great. So, what great thing you did?
Nothing much, sir. Just chilling out and hanging out with friends.
Okay, okay, okay.
Sir, did you got
Ritam.
the assignment I have sent you?
Yeah, I got it. So, Ritam has joined today after a long time, right? Okay. What about others? How
Sir,
was
good.
your weekend? Good. Okay. Because after exam, it's really soothing to have a weekend, right? Where you can relax and just chill
Yes,
with.
sir.
Okay. Now just wait for a few minutes for your friends to join. Within 1 or 2 minutes, we will just begin the today's class. Okay. For today's session, we will be beginning with spoken English, broken English. Right. Now, what is this spoken English, broken English? We find this term very interesting, right? Okay, what is a spoken English, broken English? It appears comic, but at the same, it appears something interesting, right? Okay, if you are speaking English, should be broken English. That's why it should be the case. We all are learning to say okay, how to speak well. So what is the use of broken English? And why the broken English should be spoken? Why not good English should be spoken? Now, if you take this, taking this interest, ki spoken English is broken, no. Let me give you an example. You know, 2 years back, right? When I was in Mysore, okay, where I was expert for language. Now there, wherever I used to go, I used to say in Hindi, right? Because Bengali they won't understand, and English is something which at least the bus conductor they won't understand. So what I used to do now, ki, when they used to say ki, where you want to go in Kannada, when they used to ask me, try to the name would be in, of course, in Hindi, Bengali, or English, whatever the name is. The space would be the same, right? So I used to say tower. That's it. Then he used to ask me about the fare, right? And I just used to give him 10 rupees always. Now gide in Kannada it means 5 rupees, right? Now, whenever he used to ask me, he never used to return me the money. I used to, sir, gire, money, give me 5 rupees as a return. Now, कि one day what I asked कि जब आ जाएगा तो मुझे बस स्टॉप पे तो मुझे बता दीजिएगा. Now it was the same bus, and the bus conductor told कि sir, why you speaking in Hindi? Speak in Kannada, you know na. Sir, I know little bit Kannada, little bit Hindi, little bit Bengali, and little bit English. That's why I speak English, Hindi, Bengali, whatever I want. This is something I told to the bus conductor. Earlier, when he asked me ki, why you speaking in Kannada, why you are not speaking in Kannada, he didn't knew that I was not a South Indian. Because earlier I used to speak few words, means 1 or 2 letters in Kannada. Normally you won't speak with a bus conductor, right? So in this way, I was able to mix with that working place with all of my innocence, as well as using those spoken broken Kannada language itself. I only know few numerical terms, some kind of some basics, basics including 50 to 20 words in Kannada. That's enough, which we use normally. কেমন আছে ভালো, just like this, right? What I mean to say is that now the time you use that language in that way, and if you are speaking any language in broken terms, just like I use, sometimes I used to speak Bengali or Punjabi if I speak. We just used to speak in broken terms. Or even when I am speaking Gujarati or Marathi, I always speak in broken terms. Why? Although I know कि my neither my Gujarati nor my Punjabi is too well, but I know कि tidbits of Bengali, Gujarati, not if not Bengali, but Gujarati, Punjabi, Marathi, or Kannada, I know in that way. So if you speak with people, in broken terms, what will happen? The people will start helping you instead of judging you, whether you know the language or not. They will start helping you. Okay, because it shows a generosity from your side. Ki, yes, you are willing to learn that language. You respect that language. ये तुम सभी जगह पाओगे कि you should show the respect. Okay, to whichever place you go. Suppose somebody has come to Tripura, right? And if he or she goes to you, right? And if you are not well versed in English, and if that person is speaking Kannada or broken Bengali, if his mother tongue is Kannada but he speaks in broken Bengali, you will like that person. It's a general human nature that you will specifically like that person. Ki, oh, na, this person is trying to speak in Bengali. So let's help. So if the person is speaking, not pronouncing well the Bengali word, what you will do? You will help him. कि ना दादा এরকম না এরকম হয় ঠিক আছে আপনি এটা বলছেন এটা হয় না এটা ওয়ার্ড হয় what this shows, कि yes, a human being, I'm not talking about you and me, I'm talking about in general that every human being, they love to help those who know less. There's a general human nature. If you know less, I will love to. It's not as a teacher, I'm saying. As a teacher, I will have to let you know everything, even if you know it or not. But I'm talking about a general human nature. We like to know the people who likes to learn our language. Suppose I go to any shop, right, and there I meet with Pritam Dey. Definitely, Pritam will like to speak with me in Bengali or in Hindi. Yes, Pritam, are you there? Pritam, are you there? Okay, he might be busy somewhere, right? Including in the class session. Anyway, yeah, good afternoon. Now, suppose if Mustafa he met today in the campus, he's in the campus, right? Now, when Mustafa was talking to me, he basically he tried to speak in Bengali, but he told about his problem about English. So what I did, I also spoke with him in Bengali, but I also taught him ki, yes, this is the way to learn the English itself. What happens like this now? A student will love that teacher or love that person who is trying to communicate and make him learn it both in English, but sometimes he speaks in his mother tongue. So there is a love relation which grows between, and this is very important. As a teacher, as a student, this is very important to make that connection. English is something like the same here, No matter if you don't know English too well, this is very important. Just listen carefully. No matter if you don't know English, but the most important part is that you should try to connect with English language. No matter how well you know, but you should speak in broken terms. Why? Because if you speak in broken terms, the other person will like to help you out. So why to speak in your term? If you are going to some other place, speak like them, na? If you are going to Maharashtra, speak like Marathi, na? What's the problem? If somebody comes to West Bengal, or somebody comes to Tripura, and through day and out he speaks in Bengal, in Hindi or Kannada, you won't like, because Bengali is your mother tongue or Kokboro is your mother tongue. So why you speak different from your side when you go to any other place, any other state outside? So try to respect that language. English is also the same. Suppose after you get a job, after you BB or MBA, whatever you do, you get a job, right? Or you go for any business purpose itself to some foreign country or such a state where English is the first language. Suppose Pondicherry, you go. Now, what will happen over there? There you will have to speak in English itself. So, if you don't know to speak English in a very lucid way, in a very just like anything, like so lucidly, so simply, what you need to do now, you should speak in a broken tone so that the person who is listening to you, he will feel happy to help you out. Okay. So this is the whole case with spoken English or spoken language. Understood, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
No. Okay. Cool. Now, with this thing in our mind, let's begin this essay, spoken English, broken English. Now, spoken English, broken English. Okay. This is essay written by George Bernard Shaw, right? And he has written this essay. Uh, he has written this essay particularly for whom? Particularly for those people, okay, who are not a native language speaker. Mane, what is the meaning of native language speaker? Mane, those people who speak English, but their mother tongue is not English. মানে আমাদের মতন লোক যারা ইংরেজি তো বলি কিন্তু ইংরেজি আমাদের মাদার টাং মাতৃভাষা নয়। For them specifically, this essay is. So let's see what George Bernard Shaw is saying about spoken English and broken English. It's a very interesting essay, and I hope you all will love to read it out. Okay, so let's begin. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Now I will just say you one thing. You just enjoy this essay. Okay. Spoken English, broken English by George Bernard Shaw. Read it very well and think on it, because your next assignment could be based on this essay. Okay, so just read it out. I am going to suppose that you are a foreign student of the English language. The essay writer says, from the very beginning, I will believe that you are someone who doesn't know English, who can speak English but in tidbits, means in small amount. কিন্তু তোমাদের মাতৃভাষা ইংরেজি নয়। এই ধরে আমরা we are just beginning to speak. That you desire to speak it well enough to be understood when you travel in the British Commonwealth or in America, or when you meet a native of those countries. But GB Shaw says that I understand who you are. You are someone who wants to learn English so that he can speak well. You can speak well when you will speak well English when you will travel to British Commonwealth. Means you will travel to England, Scotland, Ireland, or any European countries, or in America. Or when you meet a native of those countries, when you will meet a foreign person, so that you can communicate with them, you are learning English. Or it may be that you are yourself a native, but you speak in a provincial or Cockney dialect, of which you are a little ashamed of. Or it may be that you are a native speaker, but you don't know English so well. Just like a person, suppose most of you are there in my class who are Bengali speakers, right? But this is not guaranteed. This cannot be guaranteed that you know Bengali too well. If I ask something from Sarat Chandra, okay, or from Rabindranath Tagore, will you be able to know? Or let me explain the things. Probably not. Why? Because knowing Bengali or Hindi is different, or even Kokbor is different, but reading books and making them understood to someone is something special, you know. So, or it may be that you are yourself a native, but you speak in a provincial or Cockney dialect, of which you are little ashamed, or which perhaps prevents you from obtaining some employment which is open to those who only speak what is called correct English. Or maybe that you are learning English. Why? Because you are looking for a job which is available for only those who can speak correct English. So from the very beginning, what you are finding ki this AC is written all about all for you. ঠিক আছে, এটা তোমাদের জন্যই এসিটা লেখা আছে। Now whether you are a foreigner or a native, the first thing I must impress on you is that there is no such thing as ideal correct. That's why at the very beginning essayist, okay, Bernard Shaw is saying कि I want to tell you at the very beginning कि there is nothing called correcting. যেটা আমি বারবার তোমাদের বলি যে ঠিক ইংলিশ কিছু হয় না, everything is wrong English. সঠিক হয় না, ঠিক হয়। So never try to go for correct English. Speak in the English which you want. Okay. So no two British subjects speak exactly alike because even the British people, those who are Englishmen, they also didn't speak the English in the same way. A new member of a committee established by the British Broadcasting Corporation. Here an example has been given by George Bernard Shaw. Okay, here you will uh, find a question. Okay, I will tell you the question at the very end of the session, but in between you should be knowing ki why it is not so. Ki nobody speaks correct English. Why Bernard Shaw says this? Suppose a question comes, then you will have to answer this. Okay. Because no two British subjects speaks exactly alike. So what is there is no question of correct English. Now he gives an example. I am a member of a committee established by the British Broadcasting Corporation for the purpose of deciding how the utterances of speakers employed by the corporation should be pronounced in order that they should be a model of correct speech for the British island. Now, the author says कि I am a member of a committee. Okay. In this committee, what is the purpose of this committee? This committee has been organized, okay, in order to show कि what is the correct way of speaking English. Okay. And you will have to teach this method of correct pronunciation to others. Okay, so this is the exact need for the formation of this committee. So a question will come कि why, in which committee was the essayist a member of, and why this committee was formed. Okay, suppose this question come and you will have to answer this one. Okay,
Sir, what is the question, sir?
the question was what was the purpose of the British Broadcasting Corporation Committee? What was the purpose of the committee? Okay, and see the portion which I have highlighted. For the purpose of deciding how the utterances of speakers employed by the corporation should be pronounced in order that they should be a model of correct speech for the British Islands. Means they will have to make a formula or a statement which will tell which is the correct method of speaking English or pronouncing English, and this will be followed by everyone. So all the members of that committee are educated persons whose speech would pass as correct and refined. Okay. Now all the members, okay, who were part of this committee, all of them, all of them were refined. Okay. Just wait a second. Okay, so this is very important what the poet says ki all the members, okay, who were part of this committee, they all were educated persons, okay, whose speech would pass as correct and refined in any society or any environment in life. Now they were asked, okay, to make such a model where everyone will be following the same model, no matter which place and which organization they are working. Okay, wherever they are working, they will have to follow the same method of pronouncing English. Our chairman is the poet laureate. Now, in that committee, okay, there was a chairman, and this chairman was a poet laureate who is not only an artist whose materials are the sounds of spoken English, but a specialist in their pronunciation. Now, who was the chairman of this committee? Write the question if you want. Who was the chairman of the committee? Okay. এখানে চেয়ারম্যান কি ছিল? এখানে চেয়ারম্যান ছিল, chairman was a poet laureate, okay, was not only an artist but whose materials are the sounds of spoken English. Means whatever he used to speak, the way he used to utter the things, it was perfect, if you say so. Okay, so his way of pronunciation was simply perfect, and everybody has to follow because he was a specialist in their pronunciation. One of our members is Sir Johnston Forbes Robertson, famous not only as an actor but for the beauty of his speech. So he is not only famous, okay, for his acting, but the way he used to speak, that was also very interesting. I was selected for service on the committee because was a writer of plays. As a writer of plays, I am accustomed to superintend their rehearsals and to listen critically to the way in which they were spoken by actors who are by profession trained speakers. Okay. Now, look at this paragraph carefully. But before that, write a question. Am I audible, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Okay. Okay, right. This question is very important for your exam. Okay. Why the essayist was selected for the committee? Why the essayist was selected for the committee?
Why the, sir? Why the?
Essayist, ESSAYIST. Why the essayist was selected for the committee? Now, other question, right? Who was Sir Johnston Forbes Robertson? Look at the screen, the spelling is given. See, I have also highlighted it, this one. Okay. Who was Sir Johnston Forbes Robertson? Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now, here you will find the answer. Sir Johnston Forbes Robertson was an actor, a famous actor, and who was known for the beauty of his speech. This is the only answer. Okay, you will get a question for 1 mark under this name. But so he was a famous actor, and he was also known for the beauty of his speech because he was a very good spokesman. Okay. Now, এর আগে যেটা কোশ্চেনটা বললাম কি why the essayist মানে জর্জ বার্নার্ড শ was selected for this committee, and here is the answer. দেখো আমি পড়ছি আবার, হ্যাঁ, তো ভালো করে দেখো, খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট. I was selected for service on the committee because as a writer of plays, because this essayist G.B. Shaw, okay, he was a writer, a playwright. Okay. And since he was a playwright, he used to teach the actors, okay, in the process of rehearsal, how to recite carefully, how to recite well. So he knew, had the art of training the people good dialogues and with good pronunciation. So he was a professional. মানে একটা नाटकेर लेखक जे बाकी जो एक्टर्स हैं ना उनको बताते थे कि किस तरह से कौन सा डायलॉग बोला जाए, किस वॉइस में बोला जाए और कैसे बोला जाए, क्योंकि ये ऐसा करते थे, उनको स्पीक करने की आदत थी, उनको बहुत अच्छे तरीक़ा से वो डायलॉग डिलीवरी बता सकते थे, इसीलिए he was a member of this committee. Got it? Okay. As a writer of plays, I am accustomed to superintend their rehearsals and to listen critically to the way in which they are spoken by actors who are by profession trained speakers. Being myself a public speaker of long time, so from a long time, okay, the assist was a very good public speaker. So that's why he was made a member of this committee. That committee knows as much as anyone knows about English speech. Now, this committee, which was made, okay, it was very good because he knew everything. Okay, what should be said, what should not be said, how to pronounce the words, how to manage these words in the English language. But still, okay, the members of this committee, okay, commonest words in any language are yes or no. Yes or no. कोई भी language हो, whichever language it is, okay. The most common words are yes or no. Is my screen visible, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Am I audible?
Hello.
No,
Yes,
sir.
Hello.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sound problem.
Audible, sir.
Okay. My screen is visible, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Visible.
Yes, sir.
सो इवन जो भी कोई भाषा हो उसमें सबसे कॉमन वर्ड क्या होता है, यस और नो. लेकिन इस कमिटी में लोग जो थे ना, दे ऑल वेर परफेक्ट एंड दे ऑल बिलोंगिंग टू डिफरेंट फील्ड, बट दे वर नॉट एबल टू इवन अंडरस्टैंड यस और नो. द वे दे यूज्ड टू, वो जो यस और नो कहते थे ना, वो भी बहुत अलग तरीके से every member pronounces them in such a way that they would not only be intelligible in every English speaking country, but would stamp the speaker as a cultivated person as distinguished from an ignorant illiterate. Well, now after going through this, you will say, well, that is good enough for me. That is how I desire to speak. And you will also say, कि यार सर ठीक ही बोलছেন আপনি, আমারও তো ইংলিশ বলাটা আলাদা from my friends. So it's very genuine, right? There cannot be a model. If I say cannot be taken in such a way कि you cannot speak in the same way as you are speaking, individually to me. So If somebody is asking, it's a complete stupidity, right? But which member of the committee will you take for your model? But since all of the people, okay, all the members of this committee, they had their own model. So which model you will follow? It was very difficult to say. There are Irish members. Now, who were the members of the committee? Write the question. Who were the members of the committee? Written, everyone? Who were the members of the committee? Written, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Sir,
see the
that
answer.
sir, your sound is not clear, sir.
That is because network is too bad. Okay, I cannot do anything. All the teachers are having the same issue.
Sir, member of.
What the question?
Ah, who were the members of the committee? Who were the members of the committee? Okay. Okay. Now see the answer. Here it is. There are Irish members, Scottish members, Welsh members, Oxford University members, American members, all recognized as such by their differences of speech. So see, different kinds of people were there from different committees. So it was very difficult to give a model of a English pronunciation because all of them were great, they're masters in that area. So it was very difficult to say. They differ also according to the country in which they were born. Now, they were different, not only in the method of speaking English, but they also belong to different country. Some of them were from Ireland, some from Scotland, some from England, some from America. So all the members, they were different, not only in terms of language, but also in terms of country itself. Now, as they all speak differently, it is nonsense to say that they all speak correctly. अब क्या है, अब क्योंकि सभी लोग अलग अलग तरीके से अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं, तो ऐसा मानना बिल्कुल ही गलत होगा कि सभी का इंग्लिश सही है। Both are correct, but there is no parameter. All we can claim is that they all speak present perfectly. But one thing is good: all the language speakers, they all were speaking in a good way. And if you speak as they do, you will be understood in any English speaking country. Now, if you can understand them, you can understand all the English speakers. This is what they say. And accept as a person of good social standing. और उधर भाषा का सुनने मन होगा, उसके भाषा का सुन को इंग्लिश जिस तरह से कहते हैं, उसको सुन के समझ में आएगा कि वो लोग पढ़े लिखे शिक्षित व्यक्ति हैं जो इतने अच्छे से इंग्लिश बोल सकते हैं. So I wish I could offer you your choice among them or else among them. So that is why the essay says कि okay, I am offering you the model which you should follow and you may like it. Okay, but for with me an Irishman, but you may think कि how an Irishman can say this, because the way I am speaking this English, I am an Irishman. Okay? Because the essay, GB saw he was an Irishman. तो वो कहते हैं कि मुझे पता नहीं कि तुम लोग ये मॉडल को तुम अच्छा लगे कि नहीं, लेकिन ये मॉडल ऐसा है जिसको तुम फॉलो कर सकते हो. তোমরা সবাই এই মডেলটাকে ফলো করতে পারো. যদিও আমি এটা বলে দিই, জানিয়ে দিই তোমাদেরকে যে আমি একটা হচ্ছে আইরিশম্যান. Although I must tell you that you are an Irishman, I am an or not. Okay. So this is how GP Saw here is making a complete picture of the committee which was formed for making the proper model of English pronunciation. Understood till now, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
All
sir.
of you
Yes, sir.
understood? Okay. Good. Okay. Now, in the next class, I would complete this essay because I know your mind is hanging and you won't be able to take too much. Okay. So here I will stop, and from the next class, I will continue from the later portion. Okay.
Sir,
Okay. Yes, say, Bolu.
sir, in that question, how much will take?
I am not getting Rupak. Say again.
In the question carry how much mark?
Where? In the
You given
questions
my
which I have given,
yes, sir.
I will tell you the marks. Okay. It is as per the all the questions. Most of them which I have given today is of 1 marks or 2 marks.
Okay,
It is
sir.
either of 1 marks or 2 marks. I have not given any question of 5 marks. Okay.
Okay. After
Okay, sir.
completing this essay, then you give the 5 mark question, na?
Ha ha. I will tell you. Okay. When I will give 5 marks, I will tell you. So don't worry.
Okay, sir. And
Ha.
today here 4 questions are there, na? Okay.
Ha, ha. If there is more question, I will let you know. I will write in the Word file and show it. Okay, by
Okay,
sharing the
sir.
screen.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Just wait. I will take your attendance. Yeah. Just say. Any of you want to say anything?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just wait. Let me take your attendance. Okay. Today's. Ritam Janapati. Ritam, are you there?
Sir, his network is not good.
Okay. Okay. Prabal Nandi. But sir, one thing more, those who have not submitted the assignment, please submit it. Otherwise, please submit it by tomorrow. Because if somebody doesn't submit, you will lose 20 চলে গেছে okay yeah the network comes okay so please tell your friends to submit it by tomorrow itself. Okay, I will share the tell it again in the WhatsApp group. So please do it. Okay,
Sir, this is internal one or internal two?
internal one. It is internal one. Okay, okay. Prabal Nandi, Lurachi Mog,
Yes, sir.
Mohammad Amzad Hussain, Priyam Banik, Devajit Das,
Yes, sir.
Brijit Ayan Das,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Athay Dev Burma. Yes, Athay Dev Burma, Devajit Sheel,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Papai Paul, Ajin Dev Burma, Shubhankar Sutradhar, Ajay Devnath, Kathur Dev Burma,
Yes, sir.
Rupak Dev,
Present, sir.
Sonesh Dev Burma, Andhara Nandi, Aradhana Sheel, Karan Kumar Chaube,
Present, sir.
Pritam Devnath,
Present. Present.
okay, Angel Dev Burma, Rahul Dev Burma, Jutan Bose,
Yes, sir.
okay, Rohit Ghosh,
Present, sir.
Abhinav Sen,
Present, sir.
Alamgir Hussain,
Present, sir.
Anand Dao, Ritan Nama, Joel Sarkar, Pratim Acharji, Akash Nath,
Present, sir.
Shyam
Present, sir.
Sinha, okay, Shyam Sinha, Deepraj Roy, Shubham Singha, Nandita Urang,
Yes,
Shantimay
sir.
Singha, Okay, Prasenjit Sheel, Rituparna Devnath,
Present, sir.
Deepmala Bhaumik. Okay, Deepmala Bhaumik, Udesh Devnath,
Present, sir.
Navajyoti Devroy, Mohammad Yasin Khan, Niladri Dev, Payal Shaha, Soromita Devnath, Subhuj Mia,
Present, sir.
Rahul Das,
Yes, sir.
Present, sir.
Aparna
Rahul Das.
Devnath. Okay, Prantik Patari, Sagar Majumdar, Tania Das,
Yes, sir.
Manoj
Yes, sir.
Das, Uday Chetri, Abhishek Mok, Muzahid Islam, Nobel
Yes,
Dev
sir.
Burma.
Sir, Mujahid Islam.
Okay, Dipanjan Chakravarti, Rasdvik Das, Yas Ranjan Tatta, Tapajit Das,
Present, sir.
Sagar Bhaumik. Okay, Rajat Devnath, Swarang Dev Burma, Sangeeta Dharbanik, Jyotirmay
Hello, sir.
Chakravarti.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Rajat. Okay,
Rajat.
okay. Mustafa Ahmed,
Present, sir.
Pritam De,
Present, sir.
Chumuy Dev Burma.
Yes,
Okay,
sir. Present, sir.
okay,
Sir, Timothy.
okay. Yeah, got it.
हेलो सर
Yes, Ajay. Say,
सर हम प्रेजेंट सर
why you left?
सर मेरा नेटवर्क चला गया था
Okay,
सर 2 बार लेफ्ट हो गया मैं
okay, okay. Not an issue. Okay, thank you, everyone. You all can leave. Okay,
थैंक यू सर
Thank you, sir.
thank you. Yeah,
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
yeah, thank you.